Hey, what's up, tech fans? Welcome back to Smart 4 Home. In today's video, we're diving into a hot topic, GPU problems. Whether you're a gamer, content creator, or just love high-performance graphics, a faulty GPU can seriously ruin your day. But don't worry, I've got you covered. We'll walk through some of the most common GPU issues and how you can fix them yourself. Let's jump in. Section 1, Screen Artifacts and Graphic Glitches. First up on our list, screen artifacts and graphic glitches. These can appear as strange shapes, colors, or lines flickering on your screen, especially when gaming or editing videos. So, what's causing this? It could be due to overheating, outdated drivers, or even a hardware issue. Step 1. Start by checking your GPU temperature. You can use tools like MSI Afterburner or HW Monitor to see if your GPU is overheating. Step 2. If temps are high, clean out any dust in your PC case or GPU fan. Also, make sure your fans are working properly. Step 3. Update your GPU drivers. Head over to the official NVIDIA or AMD website and download the latest drivers. Step 4. If none of that works, try lowering your clock speeds a bit using software like MSI Afterburner. It's possible the GPU is being pushed too hard. Section 2. GPU not detected. Next on the list is a pretty common and frustrating issue, your GPU not being detected by your system. This usually happens after a new installation or sometimes when updating drivers. Step 1. First, make sure your GPU is properly seated in the PCIe slot. Sometimes it can get dislodged, so try reseating it. Step 2. Double-check your power cables. Ensure all connections from your PSU power supply unit to the GPU are secure. Step 3. Go into your BIOS and check that the correct graphics option is selected. You may need to switch from integrated graphics to the dedicated GPU. Step 4. If you're still having issues, reinstall the latest drivers and restart your system. Section 3. Fan not spinning. All right, let's talk about another GPU issue, fans not spinning. This can lead to your GPU overheating and potentially shutting down mid-game or while rendering. Fans that aren't working properly can be due to dust buildup, a faulty fan, or settings in your GPU software. Step 1. Start by checking if the fans spin when you boot up your PC. If they don't, power down and clean them with compressed air. Step 2. Use your GPU software to check if fan curves are set too low. Adjust them to kick in earlier if needed. Step 3. If that doesn't solve it, try manually spinning the fan when the PC is off to see if it's physically stuck. If it is, you may need to replace the fan or RMA your GPU. Section 4. GPU driver crashes. Ever see a message that says, GPU driver has crashed and recovered? Yeah, it's super annoying. This can happen due to unstable overclocking, corrupted drivers, or even software conflicts. Step 1. Roll back or reinstall your GPU drivers. If a new driver update is causing the crash, try installing an older version. Step 2. If you've overclocked your GPU, try reducing the clock speeds. Unstable overclocks can easily cause driver crashes. Step 3. Disable any third-party software that might conflict with your GPU, such as background screen recorders or performance monitors. Step 4. If it keeps crashing, check for any available Windows or game updates, as compatibility issues can also cause crashes. Section 5. No display output. And finally, a no display output problem when you turn on your PC and your monitor stays black. Most times, this could be an issue with your cables, monitor, or a serious GPU failure. Step 1. Start by double-checking your HDMI or DisplayPort cable. Swap them out if you can, to rule out a bad cable. Step 2. Make sure your monitor is working. Try connecting it to another device to see if it displays. Step 3. If neither of those are the problem, reseat your GPU in the PCIe slot. Sometimes a loose connection can cause no display. Step 4. Finally, test your GPU in another system, if possible, to see if it's the card itself causing the issue. Conclusion. And there you have it, some of the most common GPU problems and how to fix them. If this video helped you out, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more tech tips and troubleshooting guides. Also, if you have any other GPU issues or fixes, let me know in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.